Alright, got a 2018 Ford F150. Gonna show you how to reset the oil light. I already did it, but realized that I don't have this in my collection, so I'll go ahead and do it again. You're gonna put the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. Don't start the car, or you might be able to start the car. I haven't tried it with this one, but you don't need to. Just put it to the on position. Click OK till you get out of those messages. And then you're going to use these arrows here. You're going to use the back arrow to bring up this screen, and then you're going to use the down arrow to go to settings, and you're going to click OK on settings, and then you're going to use the arrows to go to advanced settings, click OK, and you're going to go to vehicle, click OK, and then you're going to use the arrows to go to oil life reset, click OK, and then you're going to hold down the OK and it'll reset it, and then we'll do it. That's how you do it.